Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate more than 100 AI character using your phone. Without much ado, let's get started. Alright, the very first thing you have to do is to go to your Google and then you just search for lexical AI. Okay, lexical AI, and then you press go, and then you will see lexical.act. It is a search engine anyway. You just click on the prompt and then you search for the image. For example, I will search an old man with a white ear. So I'm gonna click on go, and then I'm gonna click on generate, and then at this particular place where you don't really need this, let us go back because there are two. Just click on search. I'm going to show you the generate part, okay, but it's still searching for it. Now that is all. Can you see all these images here? Unlimited images, unlimited images, unlimited images. Let me go back again, and then by this place I can say an old woman, an old woman with a dark hair. So let me click on search again. Just leave it for a while because it's going to look for results. Oh my god, can you see? These are massive images of women with dark hair. Okay, with this lexical hacks you can use it for free, and you can actually download it. If you want to download, actually just click on this image, okay, and then just hold on it, and then you click on download image, and this will be downloaded into your smartphone, and you can begin to use this. Okay, let me cut again, and let me come to this place and change the prompt. Let me say an African man in the forest. An African man in the forest. Just click on search, and you see what it's gonna do. So still searching. Can you see an African man in the forest? A lot. You can actually generate this a lot using your phone, and the name of the website is what? Lexical app. So let me go again and search for a beautiful young lady facing the camera. So click on search again, and then can you see? These are massive one. Oh my god, these are massive images. Massive, not it's called massive. So with this lexical you can actually use it for free. All right, let us see this generate aspect, and this one you can actually do some setting. If you look at this advanced setting, you can change your aperture, and if you want to actually generate, you need your mail. Okay, let's give it a try. Right, just click on continue with Google, and I'm going to use this my Google account. Of course, you're going to have your Google account there. and it's going to register with it. So I'm going to say portrait of an old man about to give advice. So negative, let me just say old man for us to see what it's gonna do, and let's click on generate, and then it will begin to generate. And let's see the magic this is gonna give out. Well, you can decide to like this video, okay, and I swear subscribe to this channel. So here it is. Oh my god, this is a very lovely one. Okay, we only have 1 2 3 4. I can say portrait of a black old man. Portrait of a black old man. Just click on generate. Portrait of a black old man. Come on, this is unique. So this is one of the way in which you can actually generate AI images on your phone. If you love this video, consider to subscribe to this channel. In the next video, I'm still going to show you another website.